Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Patil, lecturer in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. In this video, we are going to see about 5th chapter, Basics of Hacking. The learning outcomes of this chapter are ethical hacking, understanding the need to hack your own system, obeying the ethical hacking principles, the ethical hacking process, cracking the hacker mindset. Why they do it? Reasons are hacking is a casual hobby for some hackers. They hack just to see what they can and can't break into, usually testing only their own systems. Many hackers get a kick out of outsmarting corporate and government IT and security administrators. They thrive on making headlines and being notorious cyber outlaws. Hackers often promote individualism or at least the decentralization of the information because many believes that all information should be free. They think cyber attacks are different from attacks in the real world. Hackers may easily ignore or misunderstand their victims and the consequences of hacking. They don't think long term about the choices they are making today. Many hackers say they don't intend to harm or profit through their bad deeds, a belief that helps they justify their work. Some common motives are revenge, basic bragging rights, curiosity, boredom challenge, vandalism, theft for financial gain, sabotage, blackmail, extortion, corporate intelligence, and just generally speaking out against the man. Hackers regularly cite these motives to explain their behavior, but these motivations tend to be cited more commonly during difficult economic conditions. Many business owners and managers, even some network and security administrators, believe that they don't have anything that a hackers wants or the hackers can't do much damage if they break in. This different kind of thinking helps support the bad guys and promotes their objective. Planning and performing attacks. Attack styles vary widely. Some hackers prepare far in advance for an attack. Other hackers, usually the inexperienced script kiddie, act before they think through the consequences. Malicious users are all over the map. The majority of computer systems aren't managed properly. Most network and security administrators simply can't keep up with the deluge of new vulnerabilities and attack methods. Information systems grow more complex every year. Attacks can be carried out slowly, making them hard to detect. Attacks are frequently carried out after typical business hours. Ethical hacker, job description and requirements. Ethical hackers are trained hackers who use their skills to identify security problems with computer networks. Career definition of an ethical hacker. Ethical hackers are cybersecurity professionals who are capable of breaching security systems. They conduct tests on computer network and try to hack into the networks to the access information without authorization. The purpose of this is to identify weaknesses in the security system that are in place and help determine how to improve internet security. The primary objective of an ethical hacker is to ensure that the computer system they work with are safe and cannot be accessed without authorization. They need to be aware of new software and hardware that can improve computer security since they play a key role in determining the security needs of their employer or clients. When they attempt to hack into the system, they produce reports detailing their attempts and the conclusions they have reached about the effectiveness of the security system that are in place. Required education. In order to become an ethical hacker, it's necessary to have a bachelor's degree in a related field such as computer science. Ethical hackers need to have computer programming experience and familiarity with range of different programming languages. It's common for employers to require ethical hacker to have certified ethical hacker CEH certification and other recognized certifications such as CompTIA that prepare them to work as an expert in cyber security. Required skills. Ethical hackers need to have strong analytical skills because their work involves reviewing a lots of data to identify potential issues with computer network security. Consulting with clients, explaining their findings to managers or clients, and collaborating with other professionals who are involved with information security. Excellent computer service excellent customer service skills and strong interpersonal skills. Communication skills are also important so that they can effectively explain their test results to client and co-workers. Exceptional problem solving skills and attention to details are fundamental since ethical hackers need to be thorough in their attempts to breach the security systems in a place. Develop new and often innovative strategies that enable them to identify problems with the security system they work on. Steps to become a hacker. From steps 0, read the hacking, learn to programming in C, learn more than one programming language, learn Unix, learn more than one operating system, learn networking concepts. Start simple, read some tutorial about hacking, learn cryptography, experiment a lot, read some good books from experts, participate in hacking challenge. Apart from that, there are some websites listed below that regularly offer hacking challenge online. Go next level, write vulnerability step, contribute to open source security project, continue learning and keep listening to security talks. Ethical hacking related careers. Ethical hackers spend most of their time working on computers and must be capable of writing computer programming code. Those interested in this career field may be interested in the other occupation linked to here that involve writing computer code, protecting data stored on computer networks, and creating secure computer network. Backend developer, become a software developer, computer networking specialist. These are the career for ethical hacker. Hacking tools are computer programs and scripts that help you find and exploit weaknesses in computer system, web applications, servers and networks. There is a variety of such tools available on the market. Some of them are open source while others are commercial solutions. Tools for ethical hacking of web applications, server and network are NetSparker, Ocunetics, Probe Continuously, Inside VM, Safer VPN. Burp Suite, EtherCap, AirCrack, Angry IP Scanner, GFI LAN Guard, Savius, Qualys Guard, Web Inspect, Hashcat, L0 PHT Crack 6, Rainbow Crack, IKE Crack, Iron WASP, Medusa, Stumbler, SQL Map, Nessus. These are the reference sites for ethical hacking. Thank you. Here we end the 5th chapter.